So there's the whole of the treasure map here. I am currently physically actually right here. And just to show the map, it reads, Ye old treasure is buried in these parts. Follow the map to find the pirate's treasure. You will find tools, discover your pirate name, dress as a pirate, find the key, get your picture taken, locate the treasure, and ultimately flee out of town before the locals catch up to you. And again, this is just how the map looks. So we're going to walk over to the You Are Here section, and to the right is the first clue or hint. And actually to the left of it, of the You Are Here section, is our first aid and hydration station, which isn't located on the map. I'll show you the hydration and first aid station first. Just got stuff kids will probably need if, an injury or something occurred. And our tea is called scurvy water. And our blue drink is called ocean water. So I think that's pretty cool. So anyway, at the You Are Here spot, I'm going to go to the right and find my first clue. Now, what our pirates are going to be looking for are these little X marks the spot. There's the little X's on the map correspond to these little red X's, which they will find. The first one, like I said, is to the right. You find the X, and you know that the thing that you're looking for the treasure hunt is nearby in the vicinity. So if they lift this up, you'll be able to find little shovels that you'll need to undirt the treasure. Okay, so I'm going to be going on to 2, which, oh snap. Let me get a read on this. And this one says, keep these, you will need them later. So they're going to need these little shovels to dig up the treasure later. On to 2, which is actually in my hand for the demonstration. And this is the pirate name one. So this station is called What's Your Pirate Name? Snap. And let's see my pirate name. So how do you find your pirate name? The first letter of your first name. And my first pirate name is Dirty, J Dirty. And the month of your birth. Now we're doing Chumbucket, December. So my pirate's name is Dirty Chumbucket. You will find your name, and on the back of the frame, is a name tag and a marker. You just mark it up and put it on you. And once you read it, it says, remember your name and write it down. Okay, so on to the next station. And I got all the clues near trees, under trees, stuff like that, just so it's easier to locate. And clue number 3. On this really cool log, clue number 3 is look sharp. We are taking pictures soon. So look sharp as in we're getting dressed up like pirates. And then you will go here. The X on the box is the hint that that's where you should be looking for. And here we have a little pirate costume kit, which is a pirate hat. What else? Oh, an eye patch, a little stick-on mustache if you want it, and an inflatable sword. On to the next tree, which we're going to probably put decoy clues here, like a yellow card with no red X, just to give the game a little more depth and to make it last just a little bit longer. So maybe by other trees, since all of our clues are near trees. Our next X is here. Clue number 4. And here it says, keep this key. You'll need it to claim the treasure. And see the X both on the can and on here. And when you go inside, it's just fold up a piece of paper like an envelope, and there's a key inside there. So on to number 5. Now we've got our tools to get the treasure. We've got our pirate name. We're dressed up as pirates, and we have a key. Now I'm thinking that the locals are on to us. So we think they actually caught us. Unfortunately, for now, we'll probably escape. Clue number 5. Clue number 5, and this one reads, clue number 5 reads, the locals are on to you. Get your picture taken for a mugshot. And now we just have the infamous wanted sign with a reward of $1 million. Children pirates. Who knew they could do this much damage? $1 million reward for some children. Alright, let me get this clue. Alright, so you get your picture taken, and you're in your pirate gear. Just sit behind there and take your little picture. Okay? And on to our last clue. Our final X here, number 6. Okay, you located the treasure because it's here. Get on your ship before the locals catch up to you. Walk the plank. So it's located here, so you just pick it up. And this whole box here is going to be a little bit more buried, but not too. Enough to just wipe off the dirt or whatever. And so you pick up your little container, your treasure. You just go ahead and run on down. Oops. You walk the plank. Boop, 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 boop. And you get into your ship. Get on your ship. And you ride out of town before the locals continue to catch up to you. Woo-wee, bye, suckers.